A registered agent is an individual or entity designated to receive legal and official documents on behalf of a business. This is a crucial requirement for most business structures, such as limited liability companies, LLCs, and corporations. The registered agent acts as a point of contact, ensuring that important legal notices, tax documents, and service of process, notification of lawsuits, are received promptly and confidentially. Having a registered agent in place ensures that your business remains in good standing with the state. Now, addressing your question directly, yes, LegalZoom does offer registered agent services. Here's a breakdown of how this process generally works with LegalZoom. During the formation process, when you are in the process of forming your LLC or corporation through LegalZoom, you will typically be presented with the option to add their registered agent service. This is usually an add-on service that you select during the online application. Providing information. If you choose to use LegalZoom's registered agent service, you will need to provide them with the necessary information for them to act in this capacity. This typically includes the name and address of the registered agent, which would be LegalZoom in this case. Their appointment. LegalZoom will then be officially listed as your registered agent in the formation documents they're filed with the relevant state authorities. Receiving documents. Once your business is operational, if any legal or official documents are served upon your business, they will be sent to LegalZoom's designated address. Forwarding to you. LegalZoom will then receive these documents and forward them to you promptly. The method of forwarding can vary, but often includes electronic notification and secure online access to the scanned documents. When choosing a registered agent service, whether it's LegalZoom or another provider, consider the scope of their service beyond just receiving documents. Some registered agents offer additional features like compliance monitoring and annual report reminders, which can be valuable in helping you stay on top of your business obligations. Evaluate what features are most important for your business needs. LegalZoom does provide registered agent services, typically offered during the business formation process. This service ensures your business has a designated point of contact for important legal and official correspondence.